In a nutshell, preventive maintenance is any ongoing service or inspection performed on an asset to keep it up and running, while also ensuring it stays in compliance with OSHA or EHS regulations. Depending on your industry, this can include tasks such as inspecting machinery on a production line, replacing air filters in an HVAC system, or performing an oil change on one of your vehicles. One of the biggest topics on the market is whether it's best to be proactive, reactive, or both when it comes to maintenance. While servicing equipment items after they have broken down is inevitable, in order to operate effectively, most organizations want to strive for an 80-20 split between proactive and reactive work. Staying proactive keeps your operation running without delays, extends the life of your assets, especially if you're following manufacturer's guidelines, reduces your risk of injury or liability, and ultimately, it's more cost-effective. Many organizations are able to stay proactive by setting preventive maintenance schedules. When creating a preventive maintenance schedule, there are two different types to consider based on the specific task. Time-based tasks are set to recur based on the calendar. These are scheduled every day, week, month, year, bi-yearly, you get the picture. Meter-based tasks, on the other hand, occur at specific meter readings, such as intervals of mileage, cycles, runtime hours, or other sensor readings. It's important to find the sweet spot for how frequently you're performing preventive maintenance. Just the right amount of service to keep your equipment from unplanned downtime, but not too frequently as to be excessive. Having historic data, such as mean time between failures, along with manufacturer recommendations, will inform those schedules, and they can continue to be adjusted as you go. Getting started with a preventive maintenance schedule is easy. Just start with the high priority items and build up from there. First, identify the assets. This can include vehicles, machinery, equipment items, or technology. Second, set your schedules. Remember, these should be set at set time intervals or meter readings. Third, assign the inspection or service tasks. Automating this step ensures that no task is overlooked. Fourth, run the asset as usual. Wait until the next triggered task to perform preventive maintenance again. Certain maintenance software, such as a computerized maintenance management system, can help you track your equipment items, set your preventive maintenance schedules, get notified when work is due, and see reports on overdue tasks, cost savings, and the ratio of proactive to reactive maintenance. Learn more on our website at gofmx.com.